So, Mr. Blue, how you like? So, Mr. Blue, how you like your new home? You look funny. Hey, baby. No, you can't bite mommy's finger. No, that's mean. Look at you. Look at you. No, 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 no. No, Milky. He just said, who you snapping at? You being mean. We don't be mean. We don't be mean. No, we don't. Isn't that right, Mr. Blue? Yeah. Mr. Blue. There goes my baby. Oh, Mr. Blue, look at you. You being mean. Why you so mean? Come on. How come, Mr. Blue, look at your cage. Now you messed it all up. Oh my goodness, Mr. Blue. Look at that. You messed up your cage. What? Now look at you. You cute little bird. You messed up your cage. Why? 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 Are you gonna tell me why? Funny. Come back, Mr. Blue. Now, why are you running away? Just say hey to my friends on TV, boy. They just want to say hey to the birds. They haven't seen endangered species in a long time. Where you at? There you are. Say hey. You want to say hey? Come on. Oh, Mr. Blue. That was mean. Why are you so mean? Say bye. Because, you be a little grouchy. Grouchy. Oh, no. Bye-bye.